In today's video, we're gonna make a caprese sandwich or in a baguette. It's a rainy day and I just want something to light up my lunch today, and this is it. So for this caprese sandwich, I'm actually using a French baguette. It's elongated, it's just for me, but if I was making it for my family, I would slice it straight through and then cut some pieces for them. So I'm just gonna cut myself a slice over here, or un bocadillo. A bocadillo is how we call French bread sandwiches in Spain. Now that I have my piece of French bread, I'm just gonna simply slice it right through the middle because I want to open it up and be able to build my caprese sandwich. First, I want to take a little olive oil. In Spain, we do this with all of our bocadillos, is we soak our bread with some extra virgin olive oil, add some flavor in there. Now I'm using some really ripe Roma tomatoes that in my sandwich, so I'm just gonna slice myself a couple of slices. I also have some fresh mozzarella here that I'm going to have first. I only need a few slices. Now, if you don't have fresh mozzarella, you can also use sliced mozzarella cheese on this awesome sandwich or baguette. And I'm just going to line it up on my bread. And after this, I'm going to place some sliced tomatoes. These are very ripe, super fresh from the summer. Now, if you have some fresh basil leaves, you can put them right over the top as well, or you can also use pesto. I love both, and since I have both, I'm gonna use both of them. I do like to slice my basil leaves because it releases the aromas, and that way I don't have to bite into a big leaf every time I take a bite of my sandwich. So just put the basil right over the top. A lot of it is fantastic. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place some pesto on this side of my caprese sandwich. There's no right or wrong way of building this, just so you know. Pesto is great to make ahead. You have it in your freezer, use it for dinner. If you have extras from dinner, make this sandwich. And then I like to take a balsamic vinaigrette that I normally have in the fridge for my salads. I'll leave the recipe for that right below this video and drizzle it right over the top. But we ate salad last night and I can just take some balsamic vinegar or balsamic reduction and drizzle it over the top. All right, friends, so all we have to do is close our sandwich right through and check it out. All of the layers of the olive oil, our fresh mozzarella, our tomatoes, fresh basil, and that vinaigrette right on there. Now this, my friends, is how you make an awesome caprese sandwich. It's everything you love about a caprese salad of tomatoes and mozzarella, hugged in some fresh French bread. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to make a few good eats a couple times a week. See you next time.